This video is for people who do not have Word on their desktop and they will need to open up the student response document in the browser in OneDrive. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So you would download this document, or you might have to go and do whatever method you use for getting this document onto your computer. And then what you would have to do is you would have to go to your OneDrive. So you go back to your Clever, and you go to your Office 365. So once you're in your Microsoft, you pick OneDrive, which is the cloud feature. And it may not be in this structure, it may be spread out across your page, but you're looking for the cloud icon. It's OneDrive, and you click on that. And then you'll need to make a page, maybe using new, or not maybe. You click new if you don't have a page made, call it the Living Earth, so you can upload your file to that. I'm going to go to my page. So I have the Living Earth right here. And I have assignment or week 22. And so once I'm there, I can go ahead and I can click upload, and I can, wherever that file is that downloaded to my computer, I can find it. Now for me, that's going to be in my downloads section. So I go to downloads, and there's the Graphing Practice for Colon Cancer, and I click on it, and then I open it, and it will upload to OneDrive. Okay, then once I'm here, I can go ahead and open this, and then it'll open it up in your Microsoft on browser Word document. But unfortunately, the browser document does not allow us to easily make a scatter graph from this, so we have to do it the old-fashioned way. So now we have that here. So then the next thing we need to do is go back to our Microsoft tab again, and this time we're going to open up Excel. And you're going to do a blank document. So now we have that open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into another browser. And the way you can do that is you can just kind of pull it down to the bottom, and it'll make it into a new. And then I'm going to split screen that. So now I have my Excel in one browser page, and I have my data in the other browser page. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reproduce this graph right here. So first off, I'm going to just type in age. I go to my next column, and I'm going to type number of people. Okay, so if I want to make this so that it fits all that, I'm going to click on my B, and then I move over, and I just slide it over, and that'll make that whole column bigger. And now I just have to enter the information. Okay, so there's all my data. All right, then the next thing I do is I just go ahead and highlight all of this data. I click the Insert button. Let's make this a little bit bigger just so that you can see it fine. So I highlight the data, I click the Insert button, and I'm not going to do a line graph, I'm going to do a scatter graph. So you have these different choices, and what we're going to do is we're going to want one with peaks on it. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and there's my data. Perfect. All right, so then you can go ahead and share that with me. So what you do is you click this, and it would open up a link, and then you'd be able to share that with me. Now, if for some reason this happens to you, then what you may want to do is take a picture of this, or take a screenshot of it by looking for screenshot on your thing, on your computer desktop. Take a screenshot and save that image, and then upload that image to me, or take a picture of it with your phone. Make sure it's the right angle so we don't get diffraction grading or lines on it, and then upload that picture to me on your phone. And then the next thing you'll be doing is answering using this picture, this graph, to answer the analyze questions. So another way you could do that would be to split screen this, and then here's the analyze questions, and you would just answer these questions looking at this graph. If you have any questions or problems, please see me, your science teacher.